Ready, set, go. Aspiring performers and cultural enthusiasts received a boost with the launch of the Ready, Set, Go Charting a Legacy Cultural Workshop. This community-based training series is designed to expose participants from Tobago East and West in traditional folk and indigenous dancing, drumming, and singing.
What I like about the drumming training is that I know how to drum properly and not drum other things.
The workshop promises to strengthen community ties, ignite cultural pride, and safeguard the island's heritage for generations to come.
It's a nice experience because you don't see a lot of female drummers or women drummers. So it's good to be, I suppose, an inspiration for other female drummers who may be coming up, or even drummers who have been drumming for a while but aren't as confident.
This workshop isn't just about learning steps or beats. It's about equipping participants for competitions and to contribute to the Tobago Heritage Festival.
I wish to participate in the Heritage Festivals because my culture and my heritage and my background is very important to me. I find it very interesting and I would like to be an active participant in it.
5, 6, 7, go. In. 5, 6, 7, go. In.
The effect of Ready, Set, Go cultural workshop is expected to extend far beyond the stage by fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Tobago's traditional folk and indigenous culture. I am Juliet James, reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.